Your English will improve only if you speak it. Because why English speaking is a so matter to speak this language. If you won't able to speak this language and you never speak anytime to speak this language, and then in future you won't able to speak English language as well. Because when you daily try to speak this language and consistently you are trying to speak and start your journey to speak this language, then you are able to speak this language in future very fluently. Otherwise you will never speak English language in your entire life, and you will regret on your life that why I haven't spoken this language, I haven't tried to speak this language. So this is your regret. Okay, so try to speak this language. And why speaking is a so matter to learn this language? Because you know that you understand that language means of the speaking. No matter that only English language, but also that a lot of the language. If you want to speak this the Hindi language, then you'll have to speak, then you are able to speak this language. Otherwise you can never speak this language in your entire life. So why English speaking is a matter? Because you know that you can read 100 books, you can watch 100 videos, you can memorize the thousand of the words, but if you don't do to speak, you are not able to speak this language in your life. Because speaking English is a more important. So in this video I am going to share with you so many things to speak this language. Okay, so firstly is try to speak this language. No matter that your English is a broken, no matter that you won't able to pronounce the word very clearly, no matter what, your English vocabulary is a less, you don't have a, you haven't knowledge lot of the vocabulary, but you'll have to try to this language, try to speak this language at least. Then in future and day by day you will become, you'll be become a perfect day by day. And then you'll watch, you'll see your English in the end of the approximately 6 months. You will look your English is a very good. Okay, so I want to share my perspective right now. I can able to speak this language right now, but I want to share my story. Like this mobile is not mine, this is not my mobile. Okay, this is my sister's mobile. And 2 day ago my sisters took the mobile, the go to the city. My sister went to the city and took the mobile. Okay, so I haven't able to created any video, and I didn't create a video. And then you can compare my past video and right now video, this video. This is the big difference, that I have not consistently practice in this front of the camera, and right now my mind is stuck, my mouth is not twist, my tongue is not twist, and I have forgotten the vocabularies, what will say. I'll have to think, I'll have to remember what I'll have to do and what I'll have to speak in front of the camera. So kind of the problem, this kind of the problem I'll have to face in the front of the camera. So consistency is the more important. This is my real life story, this is right now happened with me. Okay, so right now I'll have to, it means I'll have to effort in my mind that speak this language. Like think very focusedly to remember the vocabulary and what do you want to say. Focus only like brain effort the mind and the mouth. My tongue is not twist right now, but I'm trying to twist my tongue, and I have a little bit nervousness. This is a result of the 2 day break. You know, 2 day I have done the break, and right now I cannot able to speak English language very fluently. Rather than my past video is a very good, and that time I able to speak this language very good. I was very speak very good that time, and right now I cannot speak English language very good. Maybe this language is, and right now I'm speaking, this is a, maybe for you this is a very fluently, but my English speaking as compare this video, my past video was very good to as compare this. And you can do that. So this is all about my things. And come the video, like record your voice, and you have any camera, you have any mobile and best camera, so you can record your face with your face, And look your face expressions. What kind of the body expressions when you speak, then you are using, like a me, I'm using this like a my hand gestures. Okay, so you can able to do to this thing. So this is a very important for you. And think in English, daily think in English. When you daily think in English, then your English will improve. And you are thinking in English because this is your mind, this is running out in your mind. So anybody cannot judge you, anybody cannot come to your mind that your this thing, this sentence is wrong. No, no, cannot somebody person cannot judge you. Okay, so try to think in English language. And right now I cannot speak this language very fluently, my voice is not clear, my tongue is not twist, but I'm trying to speak this language cause of I have to create a video on the YouTube and upload on the YouTube. That's why I'm creating a video. Okay, so please try to kind of the things and create the environment like English speaking. You know, English speaking is a only a language. English is a language. So try to create an environment. If you live, if you live in the USA and you cannot able to speak a little bit sentence of the English, and you have spent the 2 years on the USA, and then you can see your result after two year, you will able to speak this language very good, and you will understand lot of the things without any grammar rule, without any kind of the thing, only listening and face expression and body language. Cause of the body language, this kind of the thing, cause of this kind of the thing, you will able to speak this language. So create an environment like a English speaking. Wherever you go, try to speak this language. And whatever you want to think in yourself, talk in the front of the mirror like camera, and so many things you can do, because today present time is a technology time. You can do anything, you can do everything. Like now today on the Play Store, AI apps, lot of the partners AI apps, so many apps available to speak this language. Now this at the present time, this is a more important to learn any high skills, because English is a known the status symbol. English known, English looked the a very professional, that this is a acknowledge that this is a skill, not a language, not a subject. This is a skill, this is acknowledge the subject, this is an acknowledge the skill, not a subject. So try to speak this language. And I'll meet again next video. And the next video, i'm about to come in the video of the filler words and tongue twisters. Okay, so see you again, and thank you for watching till the end, and subscribe and like my channel and videos. Thank you.